Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's just YouTube channel. So my name is James Niyomugabo. I am also known as, or I like to be called, the preaching poet, because I love preaching, but then I also love poetry, and I thought perhaps maybe I could share the gospel through poetry. But most of the times I'm actually also preaching. So you'll find actually many things on this channel, including, like I said, poetry, but then also music. You can call me the singing poet if you like. But I'm just doing all these things because I think we don't have much time on this planet, and there's nothing so much valuable, there's nothing so much important than to spread the word of God, because the word of God has power to transform, to change lives, and to just bring us closer to what it means to be human. So I hope you like these videos on this channel, and that you can support by liking, subscribing, and sharing. And I'm dedicated to bringing you value every once in a while. No, I'm kidding. But every time I can, I'll be sharing a video about faith, about what's going on in my backyard garden, about everything that I do, just in the hopes that you can grow with me, and just I hope you stick around to just see what God does.